So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse things.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I detangled this wig. Also, this is fully glueless. I'm not using no spray or anything. I know sometimes we be saying like, oh y'all, this is glueless, and we spraying a bunch of shit on our head. I do that, okay? But no, for real, this is really glueless. No spray, no nothing. Just some gel to do my edges, and this is how the lace is looking. This is AliPearl hair. Hold on, let me go get their box. This is their box. So it came in this box. Y'all, AliPearl never cease to amaze me. This wig is so thick. I got it in a large cap. So there's a lot of cap in the back, but I'm pretty sure it's looking okay in the back. I'm not sure. I'm gonna show you guys anyways, but this is how it's looking in the back. It's a lot of extra cap because I got this large to style my mom for her birthday. And if you guys did not see my mom's birthday pictures on my Instagram, I will insert it right here. She looks so pretty. So yeah, this is the wig that I put on my mom, and it's fitting me just as good, even though my head is smaller, and it's still looking great. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I really didn't have anything much to say. I'm so shook that this came out so good, and I'm showing you guys how to get your hair to be nice and flat and still defined and not poofy, because the ends of the hair is already dried and it's still nice and flat. It does get really big if you don't tame it properly. So, and since it's coming up on springtime, summertime, y'all know I'm the curly queen, okay? And I'm the glueless queen, the curly queen, so you already know summertime is my time, okay? Like, look at this lace. I literally just hot comb it like my regular wig. This was all the shedding that I got from detangling this whole wig. Nothing. This is nothing. And we already know this is curly hair, so you will get a little bit when you're detangling it, but you're not getting like excessive shedding. Let's get right into this video. It's going to be very chill, so you guys can just watch when you're like laying in your bed relaxing or anything. It's a really chill vibe. I'm going to play some music for you because you know guys, I'll be finding the bomb music for your ears, and just chill and watch this video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the edges really quick. I just want to show you. This is AliPearl's 5x5 closure wig. I'm just wearing my regular wig cap like so, and I'm putting it on like this. I will have all the specs down below because I'm not sure if this is a 200% density wig, but it's giving very much 200% density because look, hold on, look how big. And it's 30 inches. It is a deep wave texture, and it's so nice and big. I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize this hair, and also I'm just going to do my edges really quick. I mean, I already have an edges tutorial that's doing very good so far, so I'm going to link it up in the eye above over here so y'all can check it out. I'm just going to do some quick kind of edges and fix it up a little bit, and then I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize curl. So I actually think I want to use some gel for this edges today. So I'm going to use some of the black Got To Be gel. Okay, so I'm going to just lay it down like so. And I'm going to put it at the edge like so and so. This is like way too much, but this is a closure, so yeah. Keep in mind, if you do it with Got To Be, it's going to have buildup. I can't even see shit, to be honest. I wish I had a good mirror. I put way too much Got To Be. I'm not sure how the density, but it is so big and full, and I love it. Like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys how I put some moisture in this hair and how I get it to stay for a whole week, so you guys can do the same. This hair, I have not moisturized it ever since I washed it, so I'm going to show you guys how I put moisture back into it. And it's been like over 2 weeks now since it was washed. I'm just gonna section it off in half. I'm going to dampen it. I'm not going to drench it, okay? I don't want to drench it just because I don't want it to take a long time to dry. I'm gonna use my diffuser as well to dry it. So I'm gonna section it off into smaller pieces just because it's gonna be easier to detangle it that way. And I'm gonna step back a bit so you guys can see more of me. So I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm going to brush the hair. And this is how long it is. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm just going to spray down the hair. Or you can also just open your pipe and dampen the hair using the tap water. Okay, and then I'm going to brush it out one more time. Then I'm gonna go in with the Miel leave-in conditioner. Looks like this. I'm gonna put 1 pump in that section. I'm also gonna mix it with the Miel hair milk. And I'm gonna put about this, the same amount. I'm gonna rub that and put it in the hair. And then brush it through. It should look like this. And then I'm gonna go in and put 1 pump of this mousse in the hair. And this is gonna help it be defined but not drenched. So this is how the curls are looking. And I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the whole head, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys what I do for the finishing touch. And this is really quick. Like, this does not take long at all, and the hair does not get too tangly. So I really like that, especially for like a curly texture. You would expect it to get like tangly and stuff, but it really doesn't. I feel like if you're going on vacation or you just love curly hair in general, I recommend getting this hair just because it's super nice. It's giving like minimal shedding, but it's curly hair and it's not like giving you clumps or anything like that. And it's not breaking. And when it dries, it looks super beautiful. I hate when curls clump together. Like, if you watch my last video, you'll notice that here, the curls are like kind of like curling in the same direction. This one gives more of like a natural curl pattern. Just brush through it. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. 1 pump of leave-in, 1 pump of hair milk. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna add a pump of mousse. And I recommend putting mousse at the back of your head if you get those like if your hair gets tangled in the back a lot. Make sure you put some mousse, because you know when mousse dries, it gets hard. So when you break apart that cast on the hair, the back is still gonna have the cast and it's not gonna get tangly because the cast is already hard at the back of the head. So that's a tip. Try that and let me know if it works for you. And I love that this is a closure because you don't have to hassle with the sides of your head. Okay, so this is how one side of the head looks once it's detangled. And I really like the ends of the hair to have like a ringlet effect. So I like taking the brush and going like so. And that gives it a ringlet effect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the mousse. Put about 5 pumps, starting from the top of the head and going down. And make sure you get it at the end of the head as well. And if you really want the curls to last, I feel like the curls last regardless, but if you want to do a little bit extra. And then what I really do to seal in the moisture is I go in with my Mommy's Deep Moisturizing Butter. You can get this using the link. I'm gonna provide the link in my description box. I use this for my natural hair, and I feel like because I use that to seal in the moisture in my natural hair, that's the smartest idea to do with curly hair. So all you're gonna need is literally this much. Take it, rub it in your hands, and then rub it down the hair like so. And it's gonna give it like this shine, but this is also going to seal in the moisture that we did with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, and then I want to add a little bit of gel on top, and the gel is just going to make the hair stay flatter longer because I don't want the hair getting big like this. So the gel I'm going to use today is this Elastic Hair Feels Like Silk gel. It looks like that. You can get it from Walmart. I see that Walmart is selling it. And for that one side, I'm just going to use one big gob like that for that one side. And just put it on the hair. Make sure you get it on the ends. Okay, and then I'm just gonna brush this through. And then leave it to dry. Or you can also use your diffuser, but I'm just going to leave it to dry. So this is what this side is looking like. Nice and flat, given very much natural. And now I'm gonna do this side. You can see how the difference is. This side is very big, and then this side got flat. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Oh, do bear in mind, I did bleach the knots and pluck this wig. So when you buy your wig, always remember your wig is not gonna come the way that mine looks. You're gonna have to customize it and get it to look natural, okay? Sometimes wigs come like pre-plucked and stuff, but I still go in and bleach and customize the lace so it can look like skin.
Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one.
Okay, and then I normally put this coconut ORS spray all over it, but I'm gonna use the Bio Silk oil today just to give it a little bit of shine at the top, all the way through, especially the front, Okay, this is how it looks in the back. Probably a little fat maybe, because this is a size large cap. It's probably looking a little fat, but this is how everything looks to the back. Okay, and then if you're trying to prevent yourself from getting the tanglies at the back of your neck, just take some mousse and put it directly at the back of your head like so. And that's gonna make, the mousse is gonna make the back of your wig get stiff. So even if it's rubbing against your neck, it's not gonna tangle because it's already stiff. Guys, so I'm finally done. I'm wearing this top from Zara. I feel like it's going with the whole look. I'm gonna have my Zara haul up soon, so tell me if you guys are excited for some fashion content. My style is very different. If you know me, you know I love to wear sneakers and sandals and relaxed outfits like this and linen, and I love to wear jeans. That's my kind of aesthetic. So I'm coming with some fashion hauls. Hopefully this is not bothering you. It's probably not. Let me turn it this way. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be posting my Zara haul very soon, but this is how the wig is looking. It looks so gorgeous. I hope you like this video. It's already starting to dry, and as you can see, it's not getting poofy at all. It's nice and flat. I will come back a little bit later when it's dry to show you guys too, but okay you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is how the hair is looking right now. So nice and beautiful and flat. I love that. I feel like this is giving very much bohemian vibes, especially with this top. I feel like I just love curly hair. If you watch my channel, you know that curly hair is my thing, and I love curly hair for the summertime. Like, that's just a mood. So yeah, this is AliPearl hair. Don't forget to check out the information and links in the description box. They might have some coupon codes or some stuff in there, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in really long 30-inch curly hair, or any hair for that matter. I really like AliPearl hair. They don't disappoint me. It does have a little shedding here and there, but this one hasn't given any shedding so far, so I'm in love. Okay, so yeah, this is how it's looking, and the lace is nice and seamless. Keep in mind, this is a glueless install, like no spray, no nothing, so this is really, really good for vacation because it's just like a throw on and go type of wig. So yeah, we love that. We love that for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next one. So I'm editing the video right now, and this is how the curls are looking since they're dried. It is 100% dried now. It's nice and moisturized all the way to the ends. So yeah, this method is gonna work for you, and I hope that you guys try it. And if you try it, don't forget to come back and comment, or even message me on Instagram if you want. I do respond to you guys. I hope the fan is not bothering, but yeah. So this is how the hair is looking. AliPearl hair. This is like maybe 2 hours later. Keep in mind, I did not wet the hair too much, so it's not doing crazy. So yeah, this is the end result of me moisturizing the hair, and this is gonna last a whole week, I promise you. And then you can do the same routine again, or you can wash your wig. So yeah, this is the end look. Bye, have a good day, have a good night. Anytime you're watching this video, I hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's chat in the comment section, and don't forget to visit my Instagram because I do have sales on my stories sometimes, so don't miss the sale, and turn on the notification so you'll be notified when the sale drops. Bye.
So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so.